A world apart, discovering Batanes, the Philippines, a land of over 7,000 islands, each one more alluring than the last. But there's a secret hiding up north, a cluster of islands almost untouched by time. This is Batanes, the Philippines' last frontier. Here, dramatic landscapes meet a culture as rich as the soil itself. Towering cliffs plunge into the churning sea. Rolling hills blanketed in emerald green seem to stretch forever. The air is pure, the silence deafening. This is a place to reconnect with nature, to lose yourself in the raw beauty of it all. Batanes is a world away from the bustling cities of the south. It's a place where life moves at a different pace, where ancient traditions are woven into the fabric of everyday life. The Batanes people, who call these islands home, are known for their warmth and resilience. For centuries, they have weathered fierce storms and carved a living from the land. Their spirit is as strong as the winds that whip across these islands. But Batanes is not just a place to admire from afar. It's a place to experience, to immerse yourself in. Hike to hidden waterfalls, explore ancient villages, feel the wind in your hair as you cycle along coastal roads, taste the unique flavors of Batanes cuisine, and let the serenity of this untouched paradise wash over you. Batanes is calling. Are you ready to answer? Reaching the remote, your journey begins. Getting to Batanes is an adventure in itself. But fear not, intrepid traveler, for the journey is well worth the effort. The most common way to reach these enchanted islands is by air. Philippine Airlines and Cebu Pacific offer daily flights from Manila to Basco, the capital of Batanes. Now, a word to the wise traveler. Booking your flights in advance is essential, especially during peak season. Keep an eye out for those tempting seat sales. Airlines often offer discounted fares, making your journey to paradise even sweeter. Remember, flexibility is key. If your dates are open, you're more likely to snag a bargain. Once you land at Basco Airport, a wave of fresh air will greet you. The air is different here, cleaner, crisper. Take a deep breath and let the tranquility of Batanes wash over you. The adventure is just beginning. When to embrace the beauty timing your visit. Timing is everything, they say, and Batanes is no exception. To truly experience the magic of these islands, you'll want to choose your travel dates wisely. The best time to visit Batanes is during the dry season, which runs from March to June. During these glorious months, the skies are a brilliant blue, the sun shines warmly, and the winds are gentle. Perfect for exploring all that Batanes has to offer. However, if you're like me, you might prefer to visit during the shoulder seasons. April and May are particularly delightful. The weather is still pleasant, and the crowds are smaller. Imagine having those breathtaking views all to yourself. Plus, you'll have more opportunities to connect with the locals and experience the true rhythm of life in Batanes. July to September brings the monsoon season. While the islands take on a different kind of beauty during this time, with lush greenery and dramatic storms, it's not the ideal time for outdoor adventures. Typhoons are also a possibility, so it's best to check the weather forecast before you go. But no matter when you choose to visit, Batanes is sure to captivate your heart. Finding your home-away accommodation in Batanes. Finding the perfect place to rest your head is all part of the adventure. And in Batanes, you'll find a range of options to suit every taste and budget. From charming homestays to cozy inns, Batanes offers a warm Batanes welcome. Most accommodations are located in Basco, the main town on Batanes Island. For a truly authentic experience, I recommend opting for a homestay. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed Batanes coffee and indulging in a hearty breakfast of local delicacies, all while chatting with your hosts and learning about their way of life. It's an experience you won't soon forget. If you prefer a bit more privacy, there are also several inns and guest houses scattered throughout Basco. These offer comfortable rooms, often with stunning views of the sea or the rolling hills. And don't worry, you can still enjoy the warm hospitality that Batanes is known for. Just ask your host for recommendations on where to eat, what to see, and how to make the most of your time in this magical place. Navigating paradise, exploring the islands. Now that you've settled into your home away from home, it's time to explore all that Batanes has to offer. And trust me, there's no shortage of ways to get around and soak up the beauty of these islands. For the adventurous souls, renting a bicycle is a fantastic way to experience the freedom of the open road. Feel the wind in your hair as you cycle along coastal roads, past rolling hills, and through charming villages. If you prefer a bit more speed, motorcycles are also available for rent. This is a great option for exploring the more remote parts of the islands. Just remember to wear a helmet and drive carefully, as the roads can be narrow and winding. For a more leisurely pace, hop on a tricycle tour. These iconic Filipino vehicles are a fun and convenient way to see the sights. Your driver can take you to all the must-visit destinations and even share some local insights along the way. No matter how you choose to explore, be prepared to be amazed by the stunning scenery, the warm hospitality, and the unique culture of Batanes. Every corner you turn reveals a new adventure, a new perspective, a new reason to fall in love with this extraordinary place. A taste of Batanes' culinary delights and conservation. Exploring works up an appetite. And luckily, Batanes offers a culinary journey as unique as its landscapes. Fresh seafood is a must-try, of course. Imagine savoring grilled lobsters, caught just hours before with the ocean breeze whispering tales of the deep. Or indulge in a hearty bowl of vunong, a traditional Ivatan soup made with gabi leaves and pork. It's the ultimate comfort food after a day of exploring. For a taste of local life, be sure to sample the turmeric rice. The vibrant yellow hue and earthy flavor are a testament to the fertile land of Batanes. And for a sweet treat, try the supas, a local delicacy made with sugarcane. It's the perfect way to end a meal on a sweet note. But amidst the culinary adventures, a gentle reminder. While exploring the local cuisine, it's crucial to be mindful of endangered species. The coconut crab, a fascinating creature found in these parts, is particularly vulnerable. Let's admire its uniqueness without contributing to its decline. Remember, responsible travel includes respecting the delicate balance of nature. Unveiling the treasure's must-see destinations. Batanes is a treasure trove of natural wonders, each more captivating than the last. Let's embark on a journey to some of the must-see destinations across these enchanting islands. Our adventure begins in North Bataan, home to the iconic Basco Lighthouse. Perched atop a hill, it offers panoramic views of the rolling hills and the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean. Nearby, the Valugan Boulder Beach will leave you in awe. Imagine a shoreline sculpted by ancient volcanic eruptions with gigantic boulders strewn across the beach like marbles scattered by a giant's hand. Next, we venture south to explore the dramatic beauty of South Bataan. The Marlborough country, with its rolling hills blanketed in emerald green, will take your breath away. Channel your inner cowboy as you horseback ride through this picturesque landscape, feeling the wind in your hair and the sun on your face. And don't miss the Honesty Coffee Shop, a testament to the Ivatan people's honesty and trust. A short ferry ride away lies Sabtang Island, a land frozen in time. Here, traditional stone houses with kogon grass roofs line the streets, whispering tales of resilience and resourcefulness. Explore Savadug Village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and marvel at the intricate craftsmanship of the Ivatan people. And for a taste of adventure, hike up to the summit of Mount Ripused, the highest point on Sabtang Island, and be rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding islands. Our final destination is Itbayat Island, the northernmost inhabited island in the Philippines. Here, time seems to stand still. Explore the Tarangan Cave, a natural wonder used as a shelter by the Ivatan people during typhoons. And don't miss the chance to witness the traditional vakul and kanai weaving, a testament to the rich cultural heritage of the Itbayat people. Preserving Paradise Responsible Travel in Bataan. As we bid farewell to these enchanting islands, let's carry with us not just memories, but also a commitment to preserving their pristine beauty. Remember, responsible travel is not just a phrase, it's a way of life. Let's tread lightly upon this fragile ecosystem, leaving behind nothing but footprints and taking away nothing but photographs and cherished memories. When you arrive in Batanes, you'll be greeted with a warm welcome and a small environmental fee. This fee contributes directly to the preservation of the island's natural beauty. Embrace it as a small price to pay for the privilege of experiencing such a pristine paradise. Let's support local businesses, savor the flavors of Ivatan cuisine, and respect the traditions and customs of the Ivatan people. Let's be mindful of our waste, reduce our plastic consumption, and choose eco-friendly options whenever possible. And let's spread the word about the importance of responsible travel, encouraging others to follow in our footsteps. Batanes is a gift, a reminder of the raw beauty and untamed spirit of nature to inspire generations. Let's cherish it, protect it, and ensure that its magic continues to